Hi, thanks for tuning in. Okay, let's get right to it. You want to know one of the main things that's giving you away on your self-tapes as a newer actor? You're talking way too dang loud! So I'm going to show you an example of the type of audition that I typically see from a newer actor. And let's say it's a typical small role. It's one line and it's a server in a coffee shop. The server enters from off camera, approaches the customer, which is probably one of the lead actors, and their line is, "Would you like another cup of coffee?" Would you like another cup of coffee? So, assuming the title of the movie is not The Psycho Server, and also assuming that there isn't any special description of the server, something like they speak in an unusually loud voice, that is way too much. Okay, so how do you fix this? Don't worry, it's a really easy fix, but I'm not going to tell you what you think I'm going to say, which is speak softer. Because sometimes when I give that direction, I'll get something like this. Would you like another cup of coffee? The fix is what I call the proximity tool, which is going to be one of the most important tools you're going to use as an actor on film. So what does the proximity tool mean? It means you must always know the distance between you and the other characters in the scene. And the way you're going to be aware of that is if you do the sensory exercise in my other video. The title is Why Your Self-Tapes Feel Flat, and the sensory exercise that fixes it. Because a sensory exercise isn't just about your emotional alignment, it's about having the sensory awareness of where the other people and objects are in the scene that you're doing. When you do the sensory exercise properly, you're going to know exactly where everybody else is, where all the objects are placed. And for example, if you're talking to somebody who's just across the table from you, maybe in a restaurant setting, if they're across the room from you that you're calling out to, if you're a professor giving a lecture to a lecture hall of 200 students, or maybe you're a general giving a speech to an entire army outdoors. You're going to adjust your volume accordingly to the circumstances in your scene. And in your sensory preparation, you're going to be able to see where they are. Okay, I'm going to show you a real-time example of how this works. This is a coaching session with a student who tends to project a lot, and you're going to see how when he employs the proximity tool, it makes a huge difference in his audition. Okay, so we have this scene. It's the interior of Dr. Miller's surgery day. So we're not inside Dr. Miller's office, but we are inside their room where they do examinations and stuff. You have the majority of the lines as Dr. Miller, so let's just take a whack at it and see where we're at.
Okay. Your father has asked me to take some of your blood and check for testosterone levels, Thomas. Is that okay with you? You know, anything we discuss here is just between you and me, both ways. I hope that's okay. All
Okay,
right.
good. So let's go back to simply the setting of where we are. So we are inside their surgery. And it says that Thomas sits opposite the doctor. Okay, so
Okay.
how far away from you are you physically putting Thomas?
Well, I if he's sitting directly opposite me, I would say on the other side of my desk.
Perfect. Great. Even though I don't know if we're at your desk, that's okay. But even so, they're
Or
not
at
very
two opposing chairs. I mean, I think the distance would be about that.
sure. Okay, perfect. So how far away did you say? 24 inches-ish?
Um, yeah, about 2 feet
Yeah.
to between 2 and 3 feet.
Yeah, that's kind of like normal distance, I think, when we're
Yeah.
in this kind of setting. Great. So what I want you to do is I want you to have the image of holding your hand out and putting your hand on Thomas's shoulder. Just take a look at Thomas,
Okay.
24 inches away. Great. And in your own words, not even from the script, just say something. Just say something to Thomas.
Thomas, your surgery is going to be just fine. Everything's going to work out exactly the way we've planned. Done this a
Beautiful.
million times.
Beautiful. That's fantastic. Now, let's go back to the script.
Okay. Your father has asked me to take some of your blood and check for testosterone levels, Thomas. Is that okay with you? You know, anything we discuss here is just between you and me, both ways. I hope that's okay. I'm in a little bind here, Thomas. And I said this to your mother as well. I'm a religious man, no question. But I've also been to medical school. So I guess you could say I hold science in one hand and I hold God in the other. That is not always an easy balance.
Oh my gosh, we just started working on this and already it's ready to go on tape and get sent in and get you booked.
All right. I
Great
like
job.
that. I like that.
Okay. Okay, now you know what to do. With this fix, it's going to transform your auditions. And I hope you take this tool and you just run with it and book everything that you read for. Now, I create this content for my students and for all the actors out there who want to reach the next level of their career. And I would very much appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so I can keep creating more of these videos and you can keep booking. Thanks. Bye-bye.